Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Sport Amped Pickleball Paddle. Selkirk makes a variety of top-rated paddles in many different styles, but the S2 has the largest surface area of all Selkirk paddles, and most other paddles in the market. This translates to improved power and control of the paddle, giving you more consistency in each and every shot. Carl Schmitz, Managing Director of Equipment Standards and Facilities Development at the USA Pickleball, likes that the S2 is close to 8 inches wide and 16 inches long, making it great for control and easy to maneuver. This US-made paddle has a medium-thickness handle that is shorter than some of the other Selkirk models. Although the Amped S2 doesn't come cheap, it is not as pricey as some other high-end paddles on the market and comes in a variety of different face colors. Our fitness pros found this paddle to have amazing touch, consistency and control, making it great for beginners to grow with as they get more competitive in the sport, and therefore it scored its spot as the top pick in our tests. Number 2. niupipo Pickleball Paddles. If you're interested in learning more about pickleball but don't want to invest in an expensive paddle, niupipo offers a quality option for a fraction of the price of many of its competitors. Over time, if you decide to continue pursuing the sport, you can upgrade to better quality model. You'll find good balance between a graphite carbon fiber face and a honeycomb core for control and power in every shot. It's much lighter and easier to maneuver than wooden paddles and doesn't break the bank like some of the higher-end pickleball paddles on the market. Plus, the thick yet short handle works well for casual play. We found it lightweight and easy to maneuver in our tests. If you're picking up the sport with a friend or partner, niupipo even offers the paddles in an affordable set of 2 that includes 4 balls and a carrying bag. Number 3. ONIX Graphite MOD Z5. The Z5 from ONIX comes in at under $100 and offers exceptional touch and ball control with a wide body shape that is great for all levels, but especially for serious beginners. Players new to paddle or racket sports will likely be more comfortable with a wide body paddle since this configuration is easiest to maneuver and is also good for a controlled, more defensive style of play, Schmitz said. Plus, beginners will enjoy the paddle's large sweet spot too. Weighing 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, this graphite paddle with a durable Nomex core is sturdy yet not too heavy. The Z5 delivers both excellent power and speed, making it a favorite amongst our fitness experts, though it does tend to sell out quickly. We love that the Z5 comes in a variety of fun colors, is protected with an edge guard and has a tennis racket-style handle, providing a comfortable grip. Number 4. JOOLA Ben John's Hyperion. If you're looking to play like the greatest of all time, look no further than the JOOLA Hyperion CFS 16mm, which is the signature pickleball paddle of world number 1 player Ben Johns, who helped design the paddle. Although this paddle comes at a hefty price, the quality is undeniable. You're paying for features like a carbon-forged handle designed for power, comfort, shock absorption, and optimum performance. The carbon friction surface head design of the paddle optimizes swing speed and spin too. This pick is the most expensive on our list, but certainly one of the highest quality options on the market. It is quite heavy, which advanced players may think is ideal, but beginners and intermediate players may find some fatigue setting in when playing longer games. Number 5. Selkirk Sport Amped Pickleball Paddle. Tennis players who are giving pickleball a try will likely gravitate toward a paddle with an elongated design, like the Amped Invicta from Selkirk. This particular model is on the higher end from a cost perspective, and designed for aggressive players who are looking for extra reach, great spin, and substantial power. Our fitness pros note that the mid-weight option can be quite heavy, which advanced players may like. Both Wong and Schmitz said that players with well-developed stroke mechanics from other sports, specifically those who have tennis or racquetball experience, may prefer longer handles between 16 inches and a maximum of 17 inches to allow for two-handed backhand shots. Schmitz noted that this is an increasingly common grip used very successfully by tennis converts, adding that this Selkirk is a great option for those individuals looking for even more power. The Selkirk Vanguard Power Air Invicta comes in at a higher price point, but has an aerodynamic throat for quicker speed swing, which tennis players may appreciate.